Hello everyone, welcome dear students. I hope you all are studies properly. Let's continue our chapter 2. Subjects Maths and Standard 5. So let's open your book. See the page number 28. Today I am going to explain you the question number 10. So first I will read this question, then I will explain you which type of angle is formed between the hands of the clock given below. See, these are some clocks you can see here. So we have to find out which angle showing this clock hands. આ ક્લોકના હેન્ડ છે આ કયા એંગલ આપણે શો કરતા છે so right angle, you all know all this. On my last video also I explained right angle means 90 degree. More than a right angle means more than 90 degree till 180 degree. Less than a right angle means 90 degree કરતા ઓછું from 0 to less than 90 degree. Okay students, so we'll find out clock na hands kaya angles બતાવતો છે. Let's find out. How do we find out? With the use of our protector. See, this is protector. How to use it? Put your protector like this. See, first you have to understand this. Whenever you're putting your protector, from which side you have to take care. જ્યાંથી બી તમે પ્રોટેક્ટર યુઝ કરો, આ લાઈન છે તો અહીંયાથી 0 સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનો ને આ બાજુથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ તો આ બાજુથી 0 સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનું. ડોન્ટ બી કન્ફ્યુઝ અબાઉટ ઓલ ધીસ. ઓકે સ્ટુડન્ટ, સો અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ ફ્રોમ 0 ટુ સી. 5 ના લાઈન ક્યાં આવે છે? સો in between 70 to 80. So this is under 90, so this is called less than a right angle. So here you have to write angle. So less than a right angle, and you have to write down the time 7:25. So here you have to write the timing is 7:25. See the second one. Like this we have to do again. If you are putting your protector on this, however you can put like this or like this also. જ્યાંથી બી તમે પુટ કરો તો એ બાજુનો મેઝરમેન્ટ 0 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દેવાનો. અહીંયાથી પુટ કીધું તો આપણા મેઝરમેન્ટ આવું હોવું જોઈએ. આ બાજુના 0 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરશો. So this line is going more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree कहाँ जाए છે? 160 degree में. So here you have to write more than a right angle. More than a right angle, and the timing is 8:15. See, again put your eye protector like this. અહીંયાથી આપણે લાઈન મૂકેલા છે. So you have to see, you have to notice here. From here 0 we have to start from this, and here is going your line on 130 degree. So this is also more than a right angle. 90 degree का વધારે છે, 130 degree. So this is called more than a right angle, and the timing is 9:10. See, the fourth one is, again we'll put however you can put from this. So I am putting like this. Okay, so this અહીંયાથી 0 સ્ટાર્ટ થયો ને ક્યાં ગયો? this 130 degree. This is also 130 degree. So 130 degree is more than a right angle. So more than a right angle, here you have to write on angle, and the timing is, you see here, 9:25. So here you have to write down the time 9:25. See the 5 one. Again you put your protector like this. Whatever, where on which line you want to put, you can put. Okay, so let's see the line. 0 from 0 to 60. 0 અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થયું ને કहाँ આવ્યું લાઈન? 60 પર. તો 60 કहाँ છે? Less than a right angle. So see here, less than a right angle, and the timing is 10 o'clock. 6 one. You can put your protector here. આપણે આ સાઈડથી લીધું તો આ સાઈડના 0 આપણે જોવાનું. 0 to આ કहाँ જાય છે? 140 degree. The 140 is more than a right angle. 90 degree કરતા વધારે છે. So here you have to write more than a right angle, and the timing is 9:50. See the seventh one. See, I am putting from this side, so some 0 and the line is coming is between 40 to 30. So 35 degree નું છે, sorry 40 to 50 and 45 degree નું છે, so 45 is less than a 90 degree, so this is called less than a right angle and the timing is 6:40. See here, the 8th number, when you put your protractor, see, I'm putting my protractor like this, so can you see here, 0 થી start થઈને કहाँ જાય છે? This is more than a 90, so this is going 100, from 100 to 110 between, so this is more than a right angle. Here you have to write and the timing is 9:30. See, the 9 number is like this. Again you have to put your protractor. Yes, see, અહીંયાથી 0 start થયા અને કાં ગયું? Less than 90 degree, 70 degree માં આવ્યો, so this is called less than a right angle. 90 degree કરતા ઓછું, that's called less than a right angle and the timing is 4:10. See the 10th one, the last one. This is, put your protractor like this. Put your protractor like this and you can see, yes, you can see here, this is going, this start from 0 and it's going on 30 degree, so 30 is less than 90, so you have to write here less than a right angle and the timing is 12:05. કેટલા વાગે છે? 12:05, so you have to write here time. Hope you all understand this question number 10 and you have to practice at your home. Okay students, thank you, bye bye.